kill it. Alright, kill one. Let's run. Shoot one. Kill it. Kill it. Let it go. Put it on. Turn. Good shot, Bubba. Thank you. Just a jake, but that's okay. That gobbler seen us, didn't he?
Yes.
Hey, good shot. You never could get on that gobbler, huh? Huh? The big long beard, you couldn't get him in?
Yes. Yes, when he just walked away, I was like, what?
What?
I don't know what gobbler was.
Yeah, you seen us, didn't you?
I
Okay.
don't know what jake I want.
Why are you shaking? Are you cold or excited?
No, I'm just kind of this. I'm just kind of this scared.
Excited. Good shot. You smoked him, though. It's just a jake, but that's okay. We don't have a lot of time to hunt, so we gotta make the most of it. That's a heck of a good shot. I didn't think you was ever gonna shoot, though.
Yes, I'm not 2% shot.
Yeah. Them jakes are all still right out there. My God, there was a pile of them. I'll have to look back at the footage, but it looked like they're... You're shaking like crazy. There had to be, I don't know, at least 6 jakes. I mean, I can still see a good handful. That was a big old gobbler, though, son of a gun, huh? He spotted us, and as you can see, we're kind of in the wide open. We needed a face mask, and I'm sure he caught us moving when they were right there. But he came in, seen something he didn't like. Crew's not quite quick yet, but you just turned 6 a week ago, didn't you? So, hey, that's 3 turkeys on the year. Good job, Bubba. All right, yeah. Hey, what do you think of it?
Good.
Good. Do what? You got it. Good job. Good. Oh, yeah. Hey, you can talk about it or what?
On the front?
Yeah. All right, get in here. Okay. Season didn't happen, but come out here tonight or this morning and had that Tom right there. He couldn't get on him fast enough, and he picked us out. Looking in there now, I mean, we got a camera, both of us sitting there. I mean, it's a little hard to hide. Should have been lazy and carried the blind. If we'd carried the blind in, I think we'd had a good show and killed him. He come in awesome through there, strutting. I don't know how much have I got. It's raining. Well, it's kind of misting now, but just a jake. But we'll take it, won't we? What do you think? You like that turkey hunting?
Yes.
Hey, we got one more for you, and we're done, right?
Yeah.
We're not shooting no more jakes, though. Well, maybe toward the end. I was actually really happy to see how many there was, so that's a definite plus. So that means Mom gets to go the rest of the weekend, and then you can go later. So maybe Dad will get him one still yet, but I don't know. Boy, as far as jakes go, that's a good one, though, isn't it? Love you.
Yeah.
All right, now we get to go fishing.